Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have been completed exercise 2.1. So today I am going to discuss the next concept, relations. So what is meant by a relation and how we define a relation in mathematics language? ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first the example is let A and B are the two sets. Then find A cross B. As you know that A cross B is a Cartesian product from set A to set B, and which consists all possible ordered pairs from set A to set B. Therefore, A cross B is equals to first possible ordered pair is 1 3, then 1 4, 1 3 and 1 4, then 2 3 2 4. A set has two elements, B set has two elements, A ಮತ್ತು B ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು elements are. Then A cross B must times it has 2 into 2 4 elements, 1 2 3 and 4. Let us consider one more example. Let A consists the elements 1 and 2 and B is a set consists the elements 3 and 4. Define a relation. Define a relation R from set A to set B by R is equals to R is a relation defined from set A to set B, and the elements of any relation must be in the form of ordered pair, and this relation R is obtained by establishing a relation between first and second elements of the ordered pair. First and second elements of the ordered pair ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು relation define ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get the elements of the relation R, and that relation is defined by that the second element Y is obtained by adding 2 to the first element. The first element 2 na add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get second element, and for all x belongs to the set A and y belongs to the set B. This relation R is in the form of set builder form. Just write this relation R in the Rooster form. The Rooster form of this relation R is the second element is obtained by adding 2 to the first element, and x must belongs to the set A. The value of x are 1 and 2. When x is equals to 1, when x is equals to 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then when x is equals to 2, the value of y is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, and there is no elements available for x because A set has only 2 elements, 1 and 2. Hence the relation R has 2 elements. First is a 1, 3 and second one is a 2, 4. And you just observe here, R is a subset of A cross B, and this R relation is defined from set A to set B. So R is a subset of A cross B. Why? Because 1 3 is present in R as well as in A cross B. 2 4 is present in R as well as in A cross B. Hence a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. So what is the definition of a relation? A relation R from a non-empty set Analytic set A to analytic set B is a subset of Cartesian product A plus B. Now, the second element of the ordered pairs which are used in the relation are called as image of the first element. Hence, the image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 4. Second elements of the ordered pairs are image of the first element of the ordered pair. And the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in the relation R is called as the domain of the relation. What is that? Domain of the the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in the relation R. First element of the ordered pair are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And this set is called as domain of the relation R. And the second elements of the relation R, or the second elements of the ordered pair in the relation R, is called as range of the relation R. Second elements are 3 and 4. So 3, 4. Second elements of the ordered pair in the relation R is called as range of the relation R. And next one is codomain. Codomain means the entire second set B is called as codomain of the relation R. What is the second set here? B. Therefore, B is codomain of the relation R. And B set has two elements 3 and 4. And you just observe here range of R and codomain of R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Range is a subset of codomain or range is equal to the codomain. I hope all of you understand. So you just make a note here. So first note is what? Range of relation R is subset of the codomain of the relation R. Range of the relation R is equal to the codomain of the relation R. I hope all of you understand. And the second one is, as you know that the relation R can be represented in set builder form as well as in Brewster form. Relation ನಾವು set builder form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, Brewster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Relation can be represented set builder form and as well as relation can be represented in Brewster form also. And one more thing, this relation can also be expressed in the form of arrow diagram. So let this relation R is defined from set A to set B. So let us consider that this is a set A and let this is a set B. A set has two elements 1 and 2, and B set has two elements 3 and 4. In the relation R, 1 is related with 3, therefore 1 is related with 3, and 2 is related with 4, 2 is related with 4. This is an arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is the visual representation of the relation R to the pattern. This is representation of relation in arrow diagram. Third one is what? Relation. Fourth one is relation can also be expressed in the form of arrow diagram. Next, fifth one. If the number of elements present in the set A is equals to m, and the number of elements present in the set B is equals to n, then of course number of elements present in the set A plus B should be equal to m into n. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ આપણે ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then if set A has m elements, then we may write number of subsets for the set A should be equal to 2 raised to m. A set m elements ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ set ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು subset ಬರೀಬಹುದು 2 raised to m. So in the similar way, number of elements present in the set A class B is mn. Hence we may write the number of subsets for the set A class B should be equal to 2 raised to mn. And as you know that relation is nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product. If we write the number of subsets for the set A class B is 2 raised to mn, then we may write the number of relations from set A to set B is also equals to 2 raised to m. Number of relations from set A to set B, from set A to set B is also equal to 2 raised to m. Now A cross B set ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ A to B set ಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I hope all of you understood, and this is all about the relations, and this is the introduction part for the exercise 2.2. If possible, take a look. Now the exercise 2.2, the first question is, let A set has the elements 1, 2, 3 up to 14, and the relation R is defined from set A to set A, and the relation between x and y is what? 3x minus y is equals to 0, and condition is both x and y must be belongs to the set A. This question is, write down its domain, codomain and range. So for domain, codomain and range of the relation, first we need to write the given relation in the roster form. So for that he has given that the relation between x and y is 3x minus y is equals to 0. It means what? Shift this minus y towards the right hand side. It becomes what? 3x is equals to y, or y is equals to 3x. Now the relation R is equals to, when the value of x is equals to 1, because both x and y must be present in the set A. So when x is equals to 1, the value of y, 3 into 1 is 3. When x is equals to 2, the value of y, 3 into 6. When x is equals to 3, the value of y is 3 into 3, 9. When x is equals to 4, the value of y, 3 into 4 is 12. When x is equals to 5, the value of y is 3 5 is 15. But 15 does not belong to the set A. According to the given condition, y must be belongs to the set A. Therefore, this last ordered pair 5 15 does not belong to the relation R. Hence, the required relation consists only 4 elements: 1 3, 2 6, 3 9 and 4. Now what? Domain of the relation R. So as you know, the domain of the relation R means the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation R. The ordered pair the first element set for the that is domain of the relation R. First element is 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. Next is codomain. So what is meant by codomain of the relation R? The entire second set of the relation R. This relation R is defined from set A to set A, and second set is A here. Therefore therefore codomain of the relation R is A, and that A is 1 2 3 up to 14, 1 2 3 up to 14. And next one is what? Range of the relation R. So range of the relation R is the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in the relation R is called as range of the relation. Second elements on set ಬರಬೇಕು range of the relation ಯಾವುದು second elements 3 6 9 12 3 6 9 12. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a look. Now the second question is, he has given that the relation R is defined on the set of natural numbers, and the relation between x and y is equals to x plus 5, and x should be one of the natural number which is less than 4. x ಒಂದು natural number ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರಬೇಕು. natural number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, and both x and y should be one of the natural numbers. His question is, write this given relation in Brewster form and as well as write down its domain and range of the relation R. So first write the given relation in Brewster form. So for that the relation between x and y is equals to x plus 5, and also x is one of the natural number which is less than 4. x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು natural number ಅದ, ಅದರಿಂದ 4 ರಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತವೆ 1 2 and 3. When x is equals to 1, the value of y is 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, and when x is equals to 2, the value of y is 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. When x is equals to 3, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. And this is the relation R in Brewster form. Next, he has given that find its domain and range. Therefore, the domain of the relation R, the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation R is called as domain of the relation R. First elements have 1 2 3. Therefore, domain of the relation R consists of the elements 1 2 and 3. Next, range of the relation R. Range of the relation R means the set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in the relation R is called as range of the relation R. Second elements are 6, 7 and 8. And codomain ಕೇಳಿದ just write the codomain. What is the codomain? Here he has given that relation R is defined on the set of natural numbers. Means R relation is defined from the set of natural number to the set of natural numbers. Let the relation is defined on the set A. Means what? R is defined from set A to set A. Therefore, codomain of the given relation should be equal to what? Here the second set is natural number. Therefore, codomain of the given relation is yeah. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the third question is, he has given that A and B are two sets, and also he has given that a relation R is defined from set A to set B, and the relation between x and y, the difference between x and y is an odd number. x ಮತ್ತು y ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನಲ್ಲ, odd number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. And the condition is x belongs to the set A, y belongs to the set B. Then we must write the given relation in Brewster form. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ set given form ಅಲ್ಲಿ relation ಅನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು Brewster form. Brewster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ relation between x and y ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ x ಮತ್ತು y ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೊಂದು ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, a set ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, b set ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So that the relation R is equal to 1 is related with 4 or not. We just check the difference between 1 and 4 is 3. 3 is an odd number, best second, and 1 is related with 1 is completed with 4. Then what? 1 and 6. 1 and 6. The difference between 1 and 6 is 5. 5 is one of the odd number, best cycle, and then 1 is related with 6. Then 1 is related with 9 or not. The difference between 1 and 9 is 8. 8 is an even number. Therefore, 1 is not related with 9. So 1 is completed with all the elements which are present in B. 1 B the elements check ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next element is 2, which is present in A side. 2 and 4 ನಡುವೆ difference ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅದು 2 is an even number. Therefore, 2 is not related with 4. Next 2 with 6. The difference between 2 and 6 is 4. ಎರಡು ನಡುವೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅದ. 4 is an even number. Therefore, 2 is not related with 6. Next one, 9. 2 and 9. The difference between 2 and 9 is 7. 7 is an odd number, and then 2 is related with 9. Next is what? 2 is completed with all the elements which are present in B set. Next, 3. Difference between 3 and 4. 3, 4 the difference is 1. 1 is an odd number, therefore 3 is related with 4. Next, 3 and 6. The difference between 3 and 6 is 3. 3 is one number, odd number, hence 3 is related with 6. Next, 3 and 9. The difference between 3 and 9 is 6, but 6 is an even number. Therefore, 3 is not related with 9. So, 3 is completed with all the elements present in B. 3 B elements in the check ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next element is 5. Difference between 5 and 4. Difference between 5 and 4 is 1. 1 is one of the odd number, best cycle, and then 5 is related with 4. Then 5 and 6. The difference between 5 and 6 is 1. 1 is an odd number, and then 5 is related with 6. Then the difference between 5 and 9. 5 and 9 difference is 4. 4 is an even number. Therefore, 5 is not related with 9. If 5 be the elements are check ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Therefore, these elements are present in the relation R, and this is what Brewster form of the given relation. I hope all of you understand. If you want, you may write domain also. Domain of the relation R. First elements of the R equation are 1 other, then 2 other, then 3 other, then 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then what? Range. Range is what? Set of second elements. Second elements are 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 6. So therefore only 4, 6 and 9 are the second elements. Therefore range is the set of all second elements present in order pairs in the relation R is called as range of the relation. Then what? Codomain. Codomain is what? Entire second set. Relation R is defined from A to B, and second set is B here. Therefore, range of the relation, codomain of the relation R is B set, and B set has the elements 4,